Welcome back to Mama's Fluent English. Today, I want to show you a secret. Look at this student. She is in a beautiful park. She is relaxed and she is happy. In her mind, the door is open. She hears the word hello and her brain understands. Learning is easy when you feel good. But life is not always a park. Now she is in a busy city. She feels nervous. She thinks, is my English bad? Are people laughing, ha ha ha, at me? Because she is worried, she has a heavy red brick. This is anxiety. When you feel anxiety, your brain starts to close. Now look at her desk. She is trying to study a boring book. There are no stories here, only formulas. Because the book is boring, she has a second brick, boredom. This makes her very tired. She has anxiety about her English and boredom from the book. Both weigh her mind down. Oh. This is the language bridge. On the other side, the sun is shining. That is English fluency. She wants to go there, but look, a giant red wall is blocking her. This is the affective filter. It is a wall made of her anxiety and boredom. She cannot cross the bridge because the wall is too big. Oh. Let's look inside her head. Her thoughts are a mess. Did I use the right verb tense? Was that a mistake? Did I forget a grammar rule? Is everyone watching? When you think too much about rules or what others think, you cannot listen. Your brain is blocked by this mess of worry. And look at this. It is gray and it is ugly. She is wearing a boredom helmet. Oh. It is thick and heavy. The teacher is talking, but she cannot hear him. The English words bounce off the helmet. Boredom is a physical block for your brain. But wait, everything changes. She is not studying grammar now. She is watching a funny movie. She is laughing. Because she is having fun, the red wall is cracking. Psh. The sun is shining through. When you enjoy learning, the wall disappears. Now she has a success mindset. She is in a comfortable chair with her coffee. She is wearing headphones. She isn't studying hard. She is just listening to a story she loves. She is relaxed. The bricks are gone. The helmet is gone. Now her brain is like a sponge soaking up the English. Look, she did it. She is in the sunny park now. She is walking and talking with friends. Is she stressed? No. Is she thinking about grammar? No. She is just speaking English. It is effortless because the wall is down. She forgot she was learning, and that is why she learned so fast. So remember, find stories you love. Relax. If you are bored, stop. If you are stressed, take a breath. Did you like this video? If yes, please like the video below. Do you want to see more videos? Click subscribe and tell me in the comments what makes you happy when you learn English. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.